What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. We are headed out to Cunley Motorsports Park. You guys all remember 1099 Tony? What's going on, brother? How are you? As per usual, Wednesday night garage night. Tonight's a little bit different as we're heading over to get some E85 that we've been needing for a while for both of our Mustangs. And we're bringing an extra set of slicks. Show them what you got going on now, brother.
A little different.
We are here at Cunley Motorsports, and you know we got the sheriff and the Hoopmans. But we ended up getting about 52 gallons of E85, and supposed to be meeting 1099 Tony out here. What's up, Papa Hubbard? What's up, Sheriff?
What's up, Dan?
So, it's always good to race with friends. Ah! 86.
Same difference.
Oh, well, let me do that. Ah, 85. Yeah. Is that better?
It's 85 now. I took the fuel injection off.
I'm sorry. Anyway, we got an alignment on the car Monday, and we were taking some weight out of it today, so we'll see how well we go down. Put 150 pounds left and in alignment. So, wish me luck. I can't forget to grab my helmet and my suit. Nothing's worse than getting up in the line and having to turn around and go get your shit. See, we go A to B. We didn't do too bad. We went, it just says Mustang on it. We went 961 at 144.8, 615 in the 8th at 110 on literally, like, I'll go out here and show you guys right now. This car's doing to 70 clicks, which is about 16 or 17 pounds of boost. I know we lost some weight, but I'm not actually gaining any weight when I actually take that seat out. Which, if you guys have been following the channel, you know that, look, 16 clicks. So I got a mark for each rotation. So 16, 32. Well, we're tripling the clicks on the boost controller, which will give me about four more pounds. I wondered why it was a little dead coming through the traps, but that's because it didn't have any power on it. with 961. So we'll go at 48 and see how well it does, and then we'll flip the slicks and turn it up to 60 and see if we can't get it. I mean, honestly, that thing went straight as an arrow, man. I'm super happy with it. You guys all remember 1099 Tony? What's going on, brother? How are you? You guys remember the old stock block GT40 1099 Tony? Yeah. Got a little treat for you today. Show them what you got going on now, brother.
A little different.
Oh! What Gen Coyote is that?
Gen 1 Coyote.
Nice. Is that a truck or Mustang? Or
Mustang.
So it's got the good. Did you dyno it yet?
Not yet, no. Damn, I don't know the dyno yet.
What 1099 Tony's gonna do today is he's gonna borrow the black car slicks, and he's gonna put it up on slicks. I mean, obviously you don't want to. These aren't really too good of wheels to be driving down the track with, so First hits ever.
Ever. I got 300 miles on it in the build so far, and it's pretty wild on street tires.
Love it. Let's go. Let's get this shit hooked up. Yeah, they fit pretty good. They fit pretty good. 1099. Tony about to run 1099 with a car seat. Ain't that right, brother? Let's get her done. See how she does. Love it. Street car. Like, this is full weight. This is pretty, man. This is pretty. You ain't never messed with this paint, did you?
Nope, that's how it was like that.
Damn. Pretty. Like it. The old Coyote Swamps maiden voyage. That's right. We went 133.60, 601 in the 8th, with a 932 at 149 through the traps. So that's a really good pass. Air's real good. We got it turned up now. We're gonna flip the slicks one more time for the last pass. There's like a little test and tune pass at the end of the night, so we're gonna wait for that. And we got it turned up a little bit. I'm gonna ask for a little glue so I can get it stuck and see if I can't get back into the 590s. But yeah, good pass. Either way you look at it. Alright guys, so we had to get towed back to the trailer. I didn't really get any footage. It was really dark at night and it wasn't very well lit, so I just figured I would just carry it over into today. So did we push our production block, junkyard block too far? And Dad definitely did break last night, and first time ever shut down at the track. So not all is lost though. We got back to the trailer, and 1099 Tony and I were you know, loading up the slicks that he had borrowed. And he said, you know, we figured it sounded like the charge pipe blew off, like the car wouldn't start, and it was backfiring all over the place. I figured I had broke the timing chain, or you know, the oil pump drive shaft. Something happened. So 1099 Tony was like, all right, bro, if you broke the timing chain, then most likely the rotor under the cap obviously wouldn't turn. We decided to look under the cap because we couldn't find anything going on wrong here, and there wasn't a hole in my block. We popped the old cap off real quick, and we found a rotor in 2 pieces. So we quickly jumped in the trailer, pulled out some of the part stuff that I always come to the track with. Quickly jumped in the box body, and not dead yet. So yeah, I don't ever think I've actually broke a rotor before. The whole backside of it blew off. Oddest break I've ever seen in my Fox bodies days. So nonetheless, the white car still runs. Block still runs really good. Felt that it would be good to put it here on the channel. I was hoping to make that killer pass last night. She was on a pass, man. We left strong. I hit that 3rd gear and it just kind of nosed over. So, but anyways, that's racing life, and that's just the way it is. So if you guys enjoy this sort of content, big shout out to 1099 Tony for the Coyote swapped street car that he built. It's taken a lot of time and a lot of money and effort to make that happen. So I'm sure we're going to be seeing him go a little bit faster here on the channel. So big shout out to him. We'll do a build video just on his car here soon on the channel. So if you guys enjoy this sort of content, hit that like and subscribe on the way out. Give me a big thumbs up. If you want to give something back to the channel, check out that join button for membership. But outside of that, guys, I just appreciate you watching. So we'll see you soon in the next video.